Today we discussed about hybrids. Fusion of normal protoplast from one parent with nucleated protoplast and one parent with cytoplasm only. Simply fusion of one protoplast and cytoplasm is called hybrids. See, here it is, the selected two cytoplasm and protoplasm. One is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm means elimination of nucleus. Elimination of nucleus is called cytoplasm. With nucleus is called protoplasm. Cytoplasm A collected from one parent plant. Protoplast B collected from another parent plant. These are fused to form one new hybrid cell. That new hybrid cell cultured on the nutrient medium, it can develop into new plantlet. The new plantlet containing cytoplasm A character and protoplast B character. Both characters are present in the hybrid plant. So in this formation of hybrids, we followed steps in the hybrids. First step is protoplast and cytoplasm isolation. First step is protoplast and cytoplasm isolation. Second step is protoplast and cytoplasm fusion. Protoplast and cytoplasm fusion. Third step is identification of hybrids. Fourth step is post-fusion events. These are the four major steps in the formation or synthesis of hybrids. Now, first step is protoplast and cytoplasm isolation. Protoplast and cytoplasm isolation. See, protoplast and cytoplasms are isolated from leaf or from the pollen grains or from the callus. Then what are the steps in the collection of isolation of protoplast? Isolation of protoplast and cytoplasm collected by two methods. One is mechanical method, second one is enzymatic method. Mechanical method, enzymatic method. In mechanical method, cutting of cell walls is under a microscope using microcephaly or sharp razors. Take more time to this mechanical method and we collect less amount of protoplast and less amount of cytoplasms. So it is mechanical method, collection or isolation of protoplast and cytoplasm. And the next method is enzymatic method. During the enzymatic method, we used enzymes. That enzymes are called Marsirozymes. The Marsirozymes enzymes are contains cellulase, hemicellulase, pectinase. These three chemicals are combinedly called Marsirozymes. During the collection or isolation of protoplast and cytoplasm by enzymatic method, we used only Marsirozymes. They are commercially available. They are commercially available in our market. They are isolated from, they means Marsirozymes. Marsirozymes isolated from, mostly from fungi. So these are the steps in the isolation of protoplast and cytoplasm. First, selected leaves. Selected two parental leaves, children, here it is plant A, plant B. Selected two parent leaves, surface sterilized of leaves with 70% of ethyl alcohol. and the selected leaves, the above leaves are washed with distilled water, and peeling of leaf pieces from the lower epidermis, the placing of leaf pieces in 13% of mannitol for plasmolysis, in water bath for shaker machine for the plasmolysis. Then after plasmolysis, placing the leaf pieces in cell wall degrading MJ mixture. The cell wall degrading MJ mixtures are called macerozymes. The macerozymes containing cellulase, hemicellulase enzymes. The leaf peels are mixed with degraded cell wall degrading enzymes and incubated for 24 hours at 25 degrees Celsius temperature. Then after these incubation, the leaf peels containing cells, that all cell walls are degraded, and the filtering the above material by the centrifuge. Then after filtration, separation and washing with sorbitol and placing in 20% of sucrose solution. Placing in 20% of sucrose solution. Pipette out protoplast and cytoplasm after centrifuged, placing on a culture medium. See children, from these two protoplasts, here up to here it is protoplasts are collected. From one parental plant protoplast, nucleus is removed. The nucleus is removed from one protoplast is called cytoplasm. Mean one protoplast and another one cytoplasm. Why we call cytoplasm? That nucleus is removed from the protoplast, so we called cytoplasm. Nucleus is eliminated from the one protoplast called cytoplasm. These are the steps in the collection or isolation of protoplast and cytoplasm by enzymatic method. Then protoplast and cytoplasm fusion, it is the second step. Protoplast and cytoplasm fusion can be classified into two types. They are spontaneous fusion of protoplast and cytoplasm. Second one, induced fusion of protoplast and cytoplasm. Induced fusion of protoplast and cytoplasm. Then first step is spontaneous fusion of protoplast and cytoplasm. Spontaneous means we selected or we isolated protoplast and cytoplasm. The both are taken in the Petri plate. Automatically they are fused. Protoplast and cytoplasms are fused without any adding of chemical, without any mechanical pressure on the protoplast and cytoplasm. In this fusion means in this spontaneous fusion, we collect homokaryons. Homokaryons means either protoplast are fused or cytoplasm are fused, called homokaryons. Homokaryons are developed during the spontaneous fusion of protoplast and cytoplasm. And the next, induced fusion of protoplast and cytoplasm. Induced fusion of protoplast and cytoplasm. In this, two types of sources are present. They are mechanical method. During the mechanical method, we used micropipettes. Isolated protoplast and isolated cytoplasms are taken in micropipette. We used pressure under the micropipette. Automatically cytoplasm and protoplast are fused to form cybrid. And the next method is chemical method. Selected protoplast and cytoplasms are taken in Petri plate, and we add chemicals to the protoplast and cytoplasm in a Petri plate. That chemicals are called fusescents. The fusescents are SPVA, sodium polyvinyl alcohol, and PEG, polyethylene glycol, and lysosome are used as a fusescents. These are mainly helps in the fusion of protoplast and cytoplasm. So If we add chemicals to the fusion of protoplast and cytoplasm, this technique is known as electrofusion. The electrofusion means in this method, large scale of hybrids, large scale of fusion of hybrids are improved. Then after identification of hybrids, it is the third step in the synthesis of hybrids. The hybrids identification are two types. One is homokaryons, one is heterokaryons. Same species of protoplast or same species of cytoplasms are fused, called homokaryons, and different species of protoplast and different species of cytoplasms are fused, called heterokaryon. Homokaryons, heterokaryons are identified under a microscope. Then at the fourth step is post-fusion events. The selected hybrids means hybrid mean one protoplast, one cytoplasm fused, called hybrid. The selected hybrids transferred into the nutrient medium. We transferred into the nutrient medium, and the cell or hybrid cell utilized nutrients. It develop into callus. If callus is observed on the nutrient medium, can add growth hormones. Growth hormones are auxins, cytokinins. These are added to the callus. They can develop into organogenesis. Then after organogenesis, they develop into complete plantlets. Complete plantlets, they develop into new plant. The selected new plant containing new varieties of characters, that is cytoplasmic characters, are expressed, and protoplast characters also expressed in one plant. Two parental plant characters are expressed in the single plant by the culturing of hybrids.